Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the parallel attendance data export feature, allowing you to export attendance data directly into an SQL database for smooth integration with third-party software. Firstly, parallel attendance data export is available only in Web Enterprise version. Now, we will see how to configure and save the parallel attendance data export in utilities. First, open the web portal. From the main menu, navigate to the Utility section, then click on Parallel Attendance Database Export. Now, select the appropriate database type, followed by the authentication type, and specify the database server details. Next, open SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to the server hosting with the Web Data Parallel base. Enter your username and password, then click Connect. Once connected, locate the database file and click on the Smart Office database. Return to the web portal and go back to the Parallel Database Export section. Here, enter the same username and password used in SQL Server Management Studio. In the Data Field Mapping section, enter the field names based on how you want your report to be displayed. After entering the required fields, click on Test Connection to ensure the connection is established successfully. Once the connection is confirmed, click on the Save option to finalize your settings. Once the option is configured and saved, navigate to SQL Server Database Management. Here you'll need to create a table based on the fields you've added in Data Field Mapping. Field names in Parallel Attendance Data Export and SQL table must be same. Once the field name is added, give the proper data types according to field names. Set the serial number as primary key. Make the isIdentity as yes under identity specification. Save the table by the table name which is mentioned in the data fields mapping. Just run a query to confirm. Run the query to check the table has been created or not. Yes, it's successfully created. After the table is successfully created, check the device logs and then recalculate the attendance. Once the attendance is recalculated, return to SQL Server Management and execute the query to verify if the data has been exported correctly into the database or not. Yes, it's successfully exported. Now recalculate the attendance for all the employees to get the attendance logs data into the table. The process data can be exported into the SQL database, which allows you to transfer the data into any third-party software as needed.